Okay, hi guys. So we're over on the Solomon stand, obviously at the IREX 2025, and we're just going to get a bit of an overview of what these guys do, and probably a bit of an intro into this application. So, what's your name, sir?
I'm James.
James. Okay, thanks, James. I mean, probably start with the company first. I do know Solomon. What I understand of them is to do with vision.
Yes.
But you can probably give me a bit more of an elaboration if that's okay.
Okay, sure. So we're Solomon Technologies and we're from Taiwan. And what we do is AI and 3D vision. So we offer unified AI platform to allow our user to use a non-coding platform UI to do any project or application they want, no matter to robotic control or just for visual inspection, product inspection. That's what we can offer. And also, we also based on what my customer asked that we could offer turnkey solutions, just like what you see those demo over here.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of robot solutions with Solomon cameras on, Solomon systems on. And obviously you're global, aren't you? It's a global brand.
Yes.
How old's the company?
We are in the market for more than 50 years
Yeah,
already.
of course, on that side, yeah. So, no, it's a good overview. I mean, I think the next thing is about the application that you have there. So you got obviously a unitary G1,
Yes.
and he's got essentially a helmet on top, which looks like some sort of LiDAR scanner.
Yeah.
So what's the application here?
Okay, maybe let me introduce a bit about the demo we have over here. So you can see that there's a humanoid robot over here. It's a G1. And you can see we have integrated our AI solution onto the G1 robots.
Right.
So you can see on the hats, we integrate the PTZ camera.
Right.
And also on the back, you can see there's a backpack. There's an H device inside to run our AI solution inside. And also, we integrated with large language model and also vision language model and also vision language actions. So you can see that we allow the humanoid to see things in distance. So no matter to recognize characters or to read a gauge or to recognize any object, find defect, that we allow that humanoid to have a vision in distance.
Right. And that's a PTZ camera on top.
Yeah, that PTZ camera.
PTZ, and what does that stand for again?
PTZ means that the camera could zoom in, zoom out, and have a wide range of FOV.
That's all right. I remember. So it was pan, tilt, zoom, isn't it?
Yes, correct, correct.
Right. Yeah. Okay, so what's the PTZ camera doing then, like specifically?
Okay,
Yeah.
you can see that as long as that could tilt 10 and zoom in, zoom out. So you can see that he could try to find object and also know the distance in between. And then you can, as I mentioned, that we integrated with vision language actions.
Yeah.
And we could use voice command to give him a command. And for example, I could ask him to find an object in front of him, and he could walk towards it and pick it up for us.
Right. Yeah. So at the moment, the robot is moving autonomously.
Yes, correct.
And is that using the technology on the unitary, or is it using one of the Solomon cameras for that?
Yes, using our AI and our vision solution in that.
Right, and part of that is using the PTZ.
Yes.
Right. Okay. So it's got its awareness around.
Yeah.
And then it's got a space where it can walk.
Correct.
Right, okay. And I guess the idea is that with this tech, it's a good showcase to see how we can use your technology to make humanoids more adaptable to the real world.
Yes, correct. You can see from the past, no matter industrial robots or cobots or even AMR, even until today, humanoid.
Yeah.
None of them could work well or perfectly without AI or without visions.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can see that we have the PTZ and also other camera on the arms
I saw that.
to enable that to have capability to do different tasks.
And what hand is that, out of interest, that you're using?
Sorry?
So the actual hand that you're using on the unitary, what brand is that?
Oh, that's another branding of the
Another
finger.
branding, yeah.
Other branding.
Yeah. Okay. No, it's good. So I think it just shows that Solomon are thinking ahead, and obviously they're looking into how to implement their expertise and AI technology into the next like physical AI and humanoid space. So
Yes.
great.
That's
Okay.
what we do here.
Okay. Perfect. Thanks, sir.
Thank you.
Good. Cool,
Thank
cool,
you here.
cool, cool.